Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English on YouTube, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Miss Crunch.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Crunch.
How are you today?
I am wonderful, thank you. I feel very energetic today.
Oh, energetic. That is a great word.
Yes, I learned it this morning.
I love it. And I am happy too. I am very excited today
Excited? Why are you excited, honey?
because of our topic today. It is a very important topic.
Oh, important. Tell me, what is it?
Today, we talk about how to improve your English pronunciation.
Pronunciation. Wow, that is a big word.
It is a big word. And for many students, it is a big problem.
Yes, I understand. Sometimes I say a word and people say, sorry? What?
Yes, exactly. They don't understand. It is not a good feeling.
No. But today we fix that.
We fix it. Okay, I am ready. But wait,
Yes, before we start, everyone, we have a small request. If you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button
the little thumbs up. Click it now.
and please subscribe to our channel. Subscribing helps us make more episodes for you.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, share the fun. Okay, now let's go. Pronunciation.
Let's go. So, M crunch, when you learn a new word, what do you do?
I read it. I look at the letters.
Okay. And do you say it out loud?
Sometimes, not always.
Ah, this is the first problem.
Really?
Yes. In English, letters and sounds are not always the same.
Oh, yes. Like the word knife.
Yes. Good example. K-N-I-F-E.
The K is silent. You don't say the K.
You say knife.
Knife? Not K knife.
Exactly. Or the word island. I-S-L-A-N-D.
The S is silent. You say island.
Island. Wow. English is tricky.
It is. But that is okay. We learn the tricks.
Okay. So, tip number 1?
Tip number 1 is always listen before you speak.
Listen first.
Yes. When you see a new word, don't guess. Listen to it first.
How? How do I listen?
Use a dictionary app. Many dictionary apps have a speaker button.
A speaker button. I click it and I hear the word.
Yes. You hear a native speaker say the word correctly.
Oh, that is smart. I click, I listen, then I copy.
Yes. Listen and copy. This is very important.
Tip 1. Listen before you speak. Use a dictionary app.
Perfect. Now, tip number 2.
Tip 2. I am ready.
Tip 2 is learn sounds, not just letters.
What do you mean?
English has special sounds. Some sounds are very different from other languages,
Like what?
like the TH sound.
Oh, TH. This is difficult for me.
For many people, there are two TH sounds. Listen. Think
Think,
and the.
the.
Yes. Think is a hard TH. The is a soft TH.
Hard TH. Soft TH. How do I make this sound?
Put your tongue between your teeth.
My tongue between my teeth. Like this?
Yes. And blow air. Think.
The think. Think.
That is great.
Really? I did it.
You did it. Practice this every day. In the mirror.
In the mirror. I look at myself and I say, think. The 3. Thank you.
Yes, exactly. The mirror is your friend. You can see your mouth, your tongue, your lips.
My face is my teacher.
Ha! Yes, your face is your teacher. I love that.
Another difficult sound?
Yes, the V and W sounds.
Oh, V and W. Some people say them the same.
Yes, very and wary. They sound different.
Very wary. Very wary. Yes, I hear it.
For V, your top teeth touch your bottom lip. Very.
Very.
For W, your lips make a circle, like you're kissing.
Like a kiss. Very romantic. Woo. Wine. Woo. Wonderful.
Ha! Perfect, Paul.
I am learning sounds. This is fun.
It is fun. And it is important. When you know the sounds, you speak more clearly.
People understand me.
Yes. And you feel more confident.
Confident. I like confident. Okay. Tip 2. Learn sounds. Practice TH, V, W. Use a mirror.
Perfect summary.
Thank you. Tip 3.
Tip 3 is record yourself.
Record myself. With my phone.
Yes. Take your phone. Press record. Speak.
And then I listen.
Yes. You listen to yourself.
Oh. I don't like my voice.
Ha! Nobody likes their voice at first.
Really?
Really. But it is very useful. You hear your mistakes.
Ah. I say wary and I hear wary and I think, oh no.
Yes. And then you fix it. You record again.
Again and again.
Yes. And slowly you hear the difference.
My pronunciation gets better.
Exactly. And you can compare. Record today. Record next month.
Oh, I hear my progress.
Yes. Progress is motivating.
Motivating. I hear myself get better and I want to continue.
Exactly.
Okay. Tip 3. Record yourself. Listen. Fix. Record again.
Yes. Simple but powerful.
Powerful. I like that word.
And tip 4, our last tip.
Tip 4. Okay.
Tip 4 is speak slowly.
Slowly?
Yes. Many students think fast. Speaking is good speaking.
Yes. Fast means fluent, no?
Number. Not always. Fast can mean unclear.
Unclear. People don't understand.
Yes. When you speak slowly, you have time to think.
Time to make the right sounds.
Exactly. And the listener has time to understand.
So slow is better than fast?
Slow and clear is better than fast and messy.
Slow and clear.
Ha, yes. Like that.
I am speaking very slowly.
Maybe not that slow.
Huh. Okay. A little slow. Not robot slow.
Yes. Natural but relaxed. Take your time.
I don't need to rush.
Number. Pronunciation is not a race.
It is not a race. I like that.
And when you slow down, your sounds are better. Your TH is clearer. Your V and W are cleaner.
Everything is better when I slow down.
Yes.
Okay. Let's review everything.
Yes. Let's review.
Tip 1. Listen before you speak. Use a dictionary app. Hear the word first.
Tip 2. Learn sounds, not just letters. Practice T, H, V, W. Use a mirror.
Tip 3. Record yourself. Listen back. Fix your mistakes.
Tip 4. Speak slowly. Slow and clear is the goal.
Perfect, Paul. You are a great student.
I am a smart parrot.
Ha! Yes, the smartest parrot.
Honey, one question.
Yes?
Is pronunciation very important? I mean, if people understand me, is that enough?
That is a great question. Yes. If people understand you, that is good. That is success.
So perfect pronunciation is not the goal?
Number, clear pronunciation is the goal. You don't need to sound like a native speaker.
Really? That is a relief.
Yes. Your accent is part of you. It is beautiful.
My accent is beautiful.
Yes. You just want to be understood. And with these tips, you will be.
I will be understood. I like that goal.
Me too. Okay, everyone. That is our episode today.
It was so good. I learned a lot.
Me too, Paul. Me too. And remember, everyone, practice every day.
10 minutes. 15 minutes.
In the mirror, with your phone, slowly.
Every day, a little better.
Yes. Small steps, big results.
And we have a question for you, everyone.
Homework time.
Yes? Leave a comment below. What sound is most difficult for you in English?
TH, V, and W, or something else?
Write it in the comments. We want to know.
And don't forget to subscribe.
And share this episode with a friend.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone.
It was a pleasure. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.